Hi, this is Colin with Clean Air Comfort Systems, and today I want to let you know about a special that we have for a 5-point safety inspection on your furnace. It's only $37, and here's what you're going to get for that. The first thing we're going to check is carbon monoxide in your home. And the reason this is important for you, low levels of carbon monoxide can cause flu-like symptoms, and they're extremely hard to diagnose. And high levels can even cause death. We are going to make sure that we take accurate readings in your home and let you know if there is any carbon monoxide, and hopefully we'll find zero. The second thing we are going to do for you is a combustion and efficiency test. This is important because a properly tuned furnace will save you money on your energy bills and keep you comfortable and warm. The third thing we are going to do for you is a gas leak check. The reason this is important is gas leaks can cause explosions. So we are going to make sure there are no gas leaks and you and your family are safe. The fourth thing we are going to do for you is a static pressure test. And a static pressure test will indicate whether or not the air flows properly through your furnace and through your duct system. This test will indicate if there are any issues with the efficiency of the airflow. The fifth thing we're going to do for you is a burner safety inspection, and this will ensure that your furnace starts up and stays running, and it will prevent a no-heat emergency. If you are ready to book your 5-point furnace safety inspection for only $37, give us a call at 360-398-9400 or click the link below.